Fix the truck. Take the turning signal. The turning signal is fixed. I'm back in the van. I fixed it, and so every cylinder is misfiring. She says, "Oh, you need to get new coils." I changed all the parts, the spark plugs. So I'm probably gonna have to get all new coils. What I'm wondering, is this a timing problem? Is this a timing problem? You know? So I don't know, but I'm trying to figure it out. Timing problem. Because you know, if you are when you're trying to take your spark plugs out, maybe I've messed up the dyno in some way, but first thing is, man, I need new coils. That's the first thing I have to do. New coils. New coils. Next thing is, how do I check the timing of this car? I did one at a time, so I don't know if that I don't know, so I gotta figure that out too. But the first thing has to be done. What? I gotta put new coils on. Look at the coils. One thing is it's not going to stop running. It's just that, you know, it's not, you know, every single one of them are not firing the right way. So I need to figure that out. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get new coils because my car is old and I'm gonna have to, you know, it is what it is. So I'm not mad about that at all. Hopefully it does everything it's supposed to, where I can still get back to work. Hopefully. We're gonna figure that out. Until next time. Okay. go. The EGV valve. How do I call this? I think it's the EGR valve. That it may be stuck, and that's giving me all the codes. This is the thing that is supposed to be giving me a lot of codes. The GDR, I don't know how to say it, the EGR valve. I hope this thing does what it's supposed to. I gotta clean it out. Alright, I cleaned this as much as I can. One of my bolts got stripped, so I had to get an extractor. So I'm gonna go get new bolts. Where do I go to get bolts at? Maybe at AutoZone got them. I also cleaned this little area out too. And I think there's one thing I have to do too with the EGB valve, and I'm gonna figure out what it is. I need to go to all these sensors and replace them. There's a mass, there's this one, there's another one, and then there's another. I gotta do all of these. That's probably what I need to do.